Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Springform Pan is probably one of the most essential tools in any baker's kitchen, especially when it comes to creating delicate cheesecakes, layered tortes, and other desserts that require a clean release. Imagine effortlessly sliding your perfectly baked creation from the pan onto a serving plate, leaving behind a pristine presentation every single time. This isn't just about convenience, it's about achieving professional-looking results in your own home, ensuring your culinary masterpieces are as beautiful as they are delicious. A good springform pan transforms the potentially stressful process of unmolding into a moment of triumph, making it a truly indispensable item for anyone passionate about baking. Number 5. Zulay Kitchen 9-inch Springform Pan. Introducing the Zulay Kitchen 9-inch Springform Pan, your new go-to for perfect cakes and cheesecakes. Its non-stick surface and even heat distribution ensure professional-looking results every time. This pan features a leak-proof design and a removable bottom for easy release of your baked goods. Say goodbye to parchment paper and messy cleanup. Enjoy healthier baking with our double-layer non-stick coating, free from harmful chemicals like BPA, PTFE, or PFOA. It makes removing cakes a breeze. Crafted from stainless steel, this 9-inch round bakeware mold is built to last. It's heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability and excellent performance. We're so confident in the quality of this springform pan that we offer a lifetime guarantee. Bake with confidence knowing we've got you covered. From cheesecakes and pies to quiches and even deep dish pizzas, this versatile pan is perfect for all your favorite oven-baked goods. It's an essential addition to any kitchen. What we like? This pan features a double-layer non-stick coating that is both healthy and environmentally friendly. If you are looking for a pan that makes releasing cakes effortless and minimizes the need for greasing or flouring, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who prioritize convenience and a smooth baking experience. What people say. The cake pan is made of durable aluminum, which ensures even heating and prevents sticking. The non-stick coating works exceptionally well, making it easy to release cakes without any damage. The straight sides of the pan create perfectly formed cakes with professional-looking edges. Number 4. 9-inch Springform Pan Set with Cake Slicer and Tester. Introducing a versatile baking set designed for every occasion. This collection includes multiple pan sizes to accommodate everything from single-serve treats to celebration cakes. Achieve beautiful, perfectly round cheesecakes with ease. The non-stick coating and simple latch ensure your creations lift out smoothly every time. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your baked goods. The non-stick surface allows for quick cleanup, often without the need for parchment paper. This set goes beyond basic pans. It includes a cake slicer for even layers and a cake tester, providing all the tools you need for baking success. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel, these pans distribute heat evenly and resist warping. They are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, offering dependable performance for countless baking projects. Get everything you need for perfect cakes at home without buying extra tools. This set offers exceptional value for beginners and experienced bakers alike. What we like? This set offers exceptional value by including 4 different sizes of springform pans along with a cake slicer and tester. If you need a versatile solution for various baking projects, from mini treats to large celebration cakes, and appreciate having all necessary tools in one package, this set is a smart investment. It's perfect for beginners and those who want a complete baking kit. What people say. The cake pan is made of heavy-duty aluminum, which ensures even heating and prevents hot spots. The non-stick coating is excellent, making it easy to release cakes without sticking or tearing. The springform design allows for easy removal of baked goods, preserving their shape and integrity. Number 3. Springform Pan Set of 3. Our innovative design features a secure latch that keeps the pan tightly closed. This helps reduce drips and spills, ensuring cleaner oven results with less mess. Enjoy quick and easy release with our convenient latch. This versatile pan is perfect for creating cheesecakes, tortes, and layered desserts effortlessly. This set includes 3 essential sizes to accommodate all your baking needs. From mini desserts to celebration cakes, you'll have the perfect pan for every recipe. We've included 60 parchment rounds to make baking and cleanup a breeze. They help reduce sticking, allowing delicate cheesecakes to lift out with minimal mess. This durable set is perfect for more than just cheesecakes. Use them for layer cakes, quiches, and homemade desserts for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. What we like. This set provides 3 essential sizes of springform pans and comes with 60 parchment liners to simplify cleanup. If you often bake delicate cheesecakes or layered desserts and want to ensure easy release and minimal mess, this set is ideal. It's a great option for bakers who value both convenience and a clean baking process. What people say. The non-stick coating works great, releasing cakes perfectly without sticking. The removable bottom makes it easy to get the cake out cleanly. It's a sturdy pan that heats evenly, ensuring consistent baking results. Number 2. HIWARE 10-inch non-stick springform pan. Introducing the HIWARE 10-inch non-stick springform pan, designed for effortless and professional baking. We've brought our years of professional cookware experience to your kitchen. This versatile pan is ideal for cheesecakes, mousses, quiches, and more. It's perfect for recipes where you can't invert the pan to release your creation. Featuring a true double-layer non-stick coating, it ensures your baked goods release flawlessly without sticking. Cleaning is also a breeze, and the coating is safe and healthy. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the stainless steel buckle provides a smooth, easy release. Experience faster work and better results, just like in professional kitchens. With great customer service, this becomes a no-risk purchase you'll love. Many are buying multiples, so don't miss out on this popular kitchen accessory. It also makes a wonderful gift. What we like. Boasting a true double-layer non-stick coating and a design favored by professional chefs, this 10-inch pan promises expert results. If you're aiming for flawless cake releases and easy cleanup, and appreciate cookware with a professional pedigree, this is the pan for you. It's best suited for serious home bakers who want reliable, high-performance bakeware. What people say. The cake pan has a non-stick coating that makes releasing cakes easy. The springform design allows for quick and effortless removal of baked goods. It is made of durable aluminum that heats evenly for consistent baking results. Number 1. RFAQK 100 PCS Baking and Decorating Set. Discover the ultimate baking and decorating kit designed to bring your cake creations to life. This comprehensive set has everything you need to get started. Create perfect cheesecakes, pizzas, and more with our set of 3 non-stick, leak-proof springform pans in various sizes. They make baking effortless, from mini treats to large desserts. Elevate your cakes with a wide array of premium decorating supplies. You'll find icing tips, spatulas, levelers, and more to help you achieve professional results. Say goodbye to sticky pans and messy leaks. Our high-quality pans are designed for ease of use, ensuring a smooth baking experience for beginners and experts alike. Crafted with care by bakers for bakers, this set is BPA-free and rigorously tested. We're dedicated to your satisfaction, and an included ebook offers extra guidance. From the first mix to the final flourish, this set empowers you to bake and decorate with confidence. Enjoy creating delicious memories with ease. What we like. This comprehensive set includes 3 non-stick, leak-proof springform pans in various sizes, plus a wide array of cake decorating supplies and an ebook. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to start baking and decorating cakes, especially cheesecakes and layer cakes, this package is perfect. It's an excellent choice for aspiring bakers or anyone wanting to elevate their cake-making game with minimal fuss. What people say. The cake pan has a non-stick coating that makes releasing cakes easy. The springform design allows for quick and clean removal of baked goods. It is made of durable aluminum that ensures even heating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.